Good afternoon, everyone. This is Madhupriya, Department of Computer Science from Sri Sairam Institute of Technology. So today I'm going to take about the subject data structure. So in that we are going to discuss about the topic stacks and queues. So let me see this topic. So what is stack? So first we are going to discuss about what is stack. Stack is a linear data structure. So here you can arrange. It is also called as first in first, last in first out. So stack is also called as stack is a linear data structure. It is also called as last in first out. So we can arrange the stack in two ways. Either you can implement the stack in two ways. That is array implementation. You can implement using array and linked list. Either you can use array or list to implement the stack, right? So next one is what is. So we are going to define about stack. So what is stack? So stack is a set of information that can be arranged in a form. So that is, so you can access either you can insert the values in one place and same place you can delete the values. So either you can insert so that you can perform the insertion and deletion operations at one end. So now we are going to discuss about the operations of stack. So there are mainly four operations we are using in the stack. What it means? First one is creating the stack and inserting the element into the stack, and next one is deleting the element, and at last we are going to display the elements. These are the four operations mainly we are using in the stack. So first initially we are creating the stack. So one by one we are inserting the element at the top of the stack. So mostly we are using for the purpose insertion we are using the word push, and to delete the element we are using the word pop, and for displaying we are using the same word display. Okay. So if you want to display the topmost element you are using the operation peek. So either it can be called as peek or top of the stack. So if you want to display the topmost element, we are using the word top or peek. So these are all the three operations mainly we are using in the stack. So first we are going to discuss about insertion. Insertion. So initially if you are having empty stack, so array stack is implemented by using array or linked list. So now we are going to discuss about array implementation of stack. So in that you can start the values from 0 to, you can start the values, the values are stored in the location. You can start from the values 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So first value will be stored at the 0 place, and second value will be stored at first place, and third value will be stored in the second place. Likewise, you can perform the insertion operation. So before inserting the value, you need to check whether the stack is full or not. If your stack is full, you cannot perform the insertion operation. So almost your memory is full, so that you cannot perform the insertion operation. So if your stack is not full, so you have to check which place is empty. So you need to insert the element at the top of the stack. And next one is you can implement the topmost pointer, then you can perform the insertion operation. So before going to perform the insertion operation, you need to identify the topmost pointer of the stack. So once you identify the topmost pointer, you can perform the increment operation. So you can increase the top pointer by 1, and then once you identify the place of the, once you identify the location, you can insert the element. You can insert the new element into the stack. So this is the insertion operation. So next one is deletion operation. Now we are going to perform the deletion operation. So before performing the deletion operation, you need to check whether the stack is empty or not. If your stack is empty, so you cannot perform the deletion operation, because already already it is empty, so you cannot perform the deletion operation. If your stack is full or it has some elements, you can perform the deletion operation. So before performing the deletion, so you need to identify the topmost element. So topmost element is present in which location? So that will be identified by using the pointer top. Okay. So then you just decrement the topmost pointer by using. So first you identify the topmost pointer, that will be assigned into a variable. So that variable may be A, B or anything. So you just assign the variable into some other value. Okay, then you just decrement the topmost pointer. So you are not deleting the value. So you just decrementing the position of the value. So topmost position of the value. So it will be always present in the array. Okay, suppose if you want to delete the element from the array means, so you have to use the flush or free operation. So while doing the program. Okay, so that is the deletion operation. And next one is peek. Last operation is peek. So the peek operation is used to display the topmost element. So suppose if you want to view the topmost element, so topmost element you are using the. So next last operation is top pointer. Suppose if you want to view the topmost element, we are using top pointer. So it will always present in the last point. It will always present in the last position of the array. Suppose you want to display one by one means you can, so in this, using this topmost pointer, you can perform delete, delete, insert, and also you can display all the elements from the stack. So that is the array implementation of stack. Thank you.